Welcome back, everyone. If you're new, welcome. Today I'll be doing a healthy meal: carrots and cabbage and saltfish served with bananas and dumpling. Here's a piece of saltfish that I am going to use along with the cabbage or along with the vegetables. It was boiled, reduce the salt level. Now I'm going to debone it. It is best to debone your saltfish while picking it up to be put into the vegetables. You wouldn't want to be eating your vegetables and have to be dealing with fish bones. At the same time, I'll be cutting up some onions, scotch bonnet pepper, scallion, garlic, and tomatoes. Next, I will place the pot on the stove, pour some oil in it, saute the vegetables along with the saltfish. When you saute them both together, you get a better result in flavor with your vegetables. After which, I will add the chopped carrots and cabbage that was being washed. The color is so beautiful into the pot. The cabbage and carrot mix always give a lovely color. I will add some black pepper, some all-purpose seasoning, and some mixed spice. These will aid in a wonderful flavor. After adding all my spice, I will mix or stir in all the ingredients together. I will also add a small amount of water and continue to stir in all the ingredients, mixing all the ingredients, allow it to be distributed evenly or almost evenly. Most plant-based food are extremely nutritious and healthy for us as human beings. It's easily digested also. After which, cover the pot, allow the vegetables to steam for about 10 minutes. After which, you can check to see if it has been cooked and is tasty, flavored to your liking. Vegetables are easily cooked. So now my vegetables has been cooked. I'm gonna serve with dumplings and bananas. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe and continue to